Welcome back to Grape Soda Travels. You've just got me at the moment. Neil's busy at work, but I'm sure he will pop up in voiceover at some point, won't you, darling?
Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure what to say.
See? We thought we'd just give you a little update of what's happening in our world, and we need your help as well. We had promised you a trip to Canterbury. Yeah, sadly that didn't quite happen. We've postponed that trip. Unfortunately, Teddy, have you seen the video where we told you it's called Teddy? Welcome to Teddy, everyone. Teddy had to go in for a small operation. So we had to change those plans. Everything is fine. Teddy needed a new battery and some software updates. I don't know, it all sounds like magic to me. But all is well now, so all is good. But we will be going to Canterbury. I mean, Bagpuss lives in Canterbury, so obviously I have to go and see that. That is exciting. Well, because our plans have changed, we didn't think we were going to be available this weekend, and now we are. So we are heading to the NEC Birmingham, to the Caravan, Camping and Motorhome Show 2025 this Saturday. If you're new to us, you might not know that we went to the big flagship show in October, and it was there that we bought Teddy. We were so busy looking for the perfect camper van that day that there are lots of stands that we didn't get to see, particularly accessories and activities, inspiration, and we want to give them some time this weekend. If you're not new to us, you will know how much we love Scotland. We can't keep away. We will be going to listen to the lovely Gemma and Campbell from Highlands to Hammocks. We saw them in October, and we will be back for more. They're going to be talking about Scotland. We are heading to the Outer Hebrides this Easter, which is very exciting. So who knows, we might come away with some good ideas. Later in the day, we'll also go and see Robbie Romes, is the plan. He's going to be talking about Northumbria, which is somewhere that's definitely on our UK wish list. So that should be really interesting. We are very definitely van life newbies. We are still working out where everything lives in the camper van and how it all works. We're getting there. We are getting better at this. But we thought we would go and see if we could get some good ideas and handy hints for newbies like us. This is where you come in. If you're an old hand at this, we need your suggestions. Where should we go and visit at the show? Are there any stands that you think we should go and have a look at? Perhaps you'll be going to the show. If you spot us, please come and say hello. It would be so lovely to see you. It would be great. We don't bite. I just get a bit over giddy and excited. But, you know, I think you're probably ready for that, aren't you? Do come say hi. It'd be nice. So that's our weekend planned. This Saturday, 22nd of February, we will be at the show, the NEC Birmingham, and we're looking forward to it very much. We'll report back, obviously. Excitingly, on the way home, we are having our first ever pub stop. So that can only go well, can't it? Somebody else is cooking and somebody else is doing the washing up. Marvellous. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to mention in the comments below if you've got any good ideas of what we should go and have a look at while we're at the show. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.